equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the motor in your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Begin by unplugging your Dyson V10. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected from any power source. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor area. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the vacuum. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. With the cover removed, you'll see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new motor is installed. If you're unsure about cleaning, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Next, locate the motor's connectors. Carefully disconnect them using your tweezers. It's important to handle these connectors gently to avoid any damage. Once disconnected, you'll find additional screws securing the motor in place. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. After the screws are out, you can lift the motor out of its housing. Take your new motor and place it into the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you just removed. Make sure it's tightly fitted to avoid any issues later on. Reconnect the motor's connectors, ensuring they are firmly in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws. Finally, reattach the dustbin and plug your Dyson V10 back in. Turn it on to test if the new motor is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We are here to help you get your vacuum back in top shape without any hassle. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. With a little patience and the right tools, you can keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.